Hi, I'm Sherwin. This tutorial today is for a dance called Bringing It Back by Fred Whitehouse. It's an improver level, 4 waltz, 32 counts. It has one easy tag and a restart after wall 8. The dance is pretty fast, which is a lot of fun, but when you're learning it, it can be a little crazy, and I'll be dancing at full speed after the tutorial. Just remember that if you were watching this on YouTube, if you go to the little wheel, the settings, you can hit that and you can take the playback speed and slow it down, which is really a great tool to have. So know that when you're practicing. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, and feel free to share this video and let everybody know that we're here, okay? So I'm going to turn around and get started. Okie doke. I'm going to move forward because as the song is called Bringing It Back, it travels back in the first part. So we're going to take it back for 2 walks, back right, left, into a coaster step where you step back, together, forward. Two steps with your left and right, doing a half turn. Forward left, follow your right shoulder to 6 o'clock, right, and half a shuffle turning back with your right foot locking over. So we're going to step left, over, left. And I'll show that to you again in a minute. So with counts, we step back on 1, 2, coaster, 3 and 4, forward 5, half turn 6, lock shuffle 7 and 8. So when you do that lock shuffle back, I'm going to do it at this wall so you can see. So I went back, back, coaster, step, half turn. As I take my left foot, I'm going to start stepping sideways, take my right foot over, and then all my weight will end up back. Okay? So that one more time, and then we'll go on. 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, coaster, 3 and 4, half turn, 6, triple, 7 and 8. You're on your left foot, you're back where you started. All your weight shifted towards your back. You're going to continue that way with a little pony step. On the right foot, we go step and step, little hitch up, left step up. Those are 2 ponies. Step back on your right, hitch your left knee, back, step, and 2 walks, 7, 8. Pony again. We have right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Back to the beginning. 6, 7, 8. We're back. 1, 2, coaster, 3 and 4. Half turn to your locket. 7 and pony. Right, left, right. On the left, step, hitch. 5, forward 6, walk 7, walk 8. Third count of 8. So from here, we're doing a Charleston section. Every time you step on the Charleston, you turn an 1/8. So what we do, the right foot goes point, step, point, step, point, step, point, step. And that's my 8 count. So right, a basic Charleston is just touch and back and touch and back. You can add swivels to it if you want. This is the same thing, except each set brings us a quarter. Each set is a quarter. Each little one is an 1/8. So one more time with me on that one. 6, 7, 8, touch, forward step, back, touch, back step, forward step, back, and back step, forward. That gets you to 6 o'clock, okay? So the next step, I'll stay here and then I'll get to another position where you can see it. We have 2 Dorothies or wizards. Stepping that counts on that are 1, 2, and it's a lock step. I'm going to step right, lock, step, left, lock, step. Right foot is going to do a cross rock recover. Right foot over, rock back, follow your right shoulder, turn a quarter, which will get you to 9 o'clock. And then keep following it and step back with a half. And now you're at your new wall, which is at 3 o'clock. Again, your energy's back because we're bringing it back, okay? So at this wall again, and then I'll flip it. 2 wizards or Dorothies. Right, left, left, rock, recover, step, out and back. Turn my back to you on that, do it with counts. 7, 8, it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole meat of the dance without the tag and the restart. So let's go back to the beginning, do it with counts, and we'll do it at 2 walls. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back, 2, coaster 3 and 4, half, 5, 6, triple, 7 and 8. Pony 1 and 2, again, 3 with the hitch, 5, walk forward, and 7 and 8. We have Charleston, sorry, that wasn't very good. 4 and 5, 6, 7, wizard, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6. We're going back again. Go walk, walk, coaster, step, step, 5, 6, lock at 7, and pony on a 1 and 2, pony 3 and 4, hitch, 6, 7, 8, and point, step, and point, step, and point, step, and point, step, 1, 2 and 3, 4, and cross, rock, quarter, back, start back. Now you'll hear me use the word wizard and Dorothy interchangeably. On this step sheet, Fred uses Dorothy. On some, it says wizard. They are the same step. Okay, so I kind of use them interchangeably. Now, the tag is super easy. It happens during wall 8, which is over here. You dance a couple of counts of 8, and then the tag is simply stepping forward on 1, and you're going to rotate to your left 3 quarters, nice and slow. It's 4 counts. The whole tag is 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to 12 and restart. So we'll dance 2 8s, wall 8, which is at 9 o'clock. You gonna do that with me? 6, 7, 8. We go back 2, coaster 3 and 4. Turn it 5, 6, lock 7. Back it up with the pony. 2. This is your second 8. 4, hitch, 6. Here's the tag. Step, 2, 3, 4. Back it up, 2, and start again. And that's the whole thing. Okay? It's a short song. It's less than 3 minutes. But again, it is fast. So we'll turn around and we'll get started and have some fun with this dance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, back it up. the last wall is here, and you take it back 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then it's a pivot, right? 5, 6, and you kind of snap and hold it out. Give yourself a finish there. All right. So again, this is Bringing It Back by Fred Whitehouse. I'm Candy Sherwin. I appreciate you being here. I teach in the Los Angeles area. If you're out here, look me up. I would love to dance with you. And thanks again for coming to my channel. I'll see you on the dance floor.